Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to view all media in a chat on WhatsApp using the PC app. This feature is part of WhatsApp's latest update, making it easier than ever to access shared photos, videos, and other media files. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, you can download it from the Microsoft Store or WhatsApp's official website. Once installed, log in using your account credentials and ensure your app is up to date for the best experience. Next, locate the chat you want to explore. Scroll through your list of conversations to find the specific contact or group where shared media is stored. Click on the chat to open it and view the messages exchanged. Once inside the chat, look at the top of the screen and click on the chat's name. This action will open the contact or group info panel. Here, you'll find various details about the chat, including options to manage notifications, view participants in a group, or access shared files. Now, within this contact or group info panel, locate and click on the tab labeled Media. This section is dedicated to all the media files exchanged in that particular chat. You'll be able to browse through photos, videos, documents, and other files without needing to scroll through the entire message history. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly access and organize all shared media in a WhatsApp chat using your PC app. This feature is incredibly useful for revisiting memories or finding important files without hassle. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need assistance navigating WhatsApp on their PC. Happy exploring!